What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we discuss professional development, the CPA lifestyle, and everything in between. If that sounds awesome to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, and welcome to the family. Today, we're going to discuss the 5 main benefits of becoming a certified public accountant, or CPA for short. I've been a CPA now for a little over 7 years, and I can tell you that I've experienced some pretty awesome benefits from having those 3 little letters at the end of my name. From the messages I have received from you guys, a lot of you guys are still in college, just graduating, or maybe just starting your career in public accounting. And you're not really sure if going through the pain, agony, and struggle of the CPA exam journey, but because believe me when I tell you, it's a total pain in the butt to go through it, you're not sure if it's really worth it. And today, I want to go over the 5 main benefits that I've experienced from having my CPA license. The first benefit of having your CPA license is the fact that you're always going to be in demand and you're going to have a certain amount of job security. I recently had a change of jobs, which I will totally get into in a whole other video because it's so long, but I recently had a change of jobs where I actually interviewed and I went out to the marketplace and see what's out there. And completely honest with you guys, I could not believe the amount of offers and the amount of people that were just offering me crazy amounts of money to go work for them because of the years of experience that I have. As a CPA with a certain amount of years of experience, companies, employers, and businesses know that you have a certain amount of technical experience and an unparalleled work ethic that they will not find anywhere else. The second benefit of having your CPA license is that it will indirectly make you more money immediately, and long term, it'll help you go way farther in your career. Luckily for me, I was done with my CPA exam about 8 to 9 months into my first year of working straight out of college. So I got through the exam fairly quickly, but I didn't really experience any sudden increase in my salary. Like I didn't get a promotion or a pay increase right away. But a few years down the road, I was able to experience certain opportunities that wouldn't have been there if I didn't have my license. A few years into my career, because I had my CPA license, I was actually able to venture out within my own firm and try another line of business. I actually did transaction advisory or due diligence, where you kind of learn how companies buy and sell each other. And that experience in itself has helped me so much in my career. And it really helped me broaden my horizons to what I can really do with the certain skill set that I have. Looking back at my career now, I know for a fact that if I didn't get my license as soon as I did, I wouldn't have been able to progress in my career as fast as I did, because I would have always had this lingering thing at the top of my head, like, oh, I'm not done with my license, I need to go study, or oh, I need to do this, I need to do that. I always had more time to work, learn, and develop myself as a professional. The third benefit of having your CPA license is that people will automatically assume that you are hardworking and smart. Whether they should or not is a whole different story, but trust me, they will. When you tell people you're a CPA, they will automatically assume you're a hardworking guy. Trust me when I tell you the hardest part in your career sometimes is just getting your foot in the door. Once your foot is in the door and you're there, you can own your career and do whatever it is that you want. The fourth benefit of having your CPA license is that eventually you can go out and start your own business. I'm not saying that this is a prerequisite to starting your own company, but that being said, I've experienced my own colleagues and a lot of people that I went to school with or that I initially worked with a long time ago is that they actually started their own tax practices. They actually started their own small business consulting, bookkeeping businesses. You can do so much with a CPA license, and especially nowadays that we live in this kind of nomad lifestyle where you can kind of work from wherever. The work that a CPA does lends itself to be able to be remote and to be able to work from wherever you want and kind of live wherever you want. And I can tell you from personal experience that I have personal friends of mine that started their own practices and they live an awesome lifestyle because some of them only, work 6-7 months out of the year. And then, the time that it's slow, they are traveling elsewhere and doing whatever they want. And getting your CPA license will lend itself to that type of lifestyle if you long-term want to do something like that. The fifth benefit of having your CPA license is that it will teach you grit, mental toughness, and fortitude. I can tell you there are few things in my life that have impacted me as much as getting my CPA license. It's such an intangible that I can't even begin to explain how much it really changed me. I swear, I always say this. There was a time before I got my license and there was a time after my license. It gave me a certain amount of swagger and pride and joy and a certain amount of fulfillment within myself and that responsibility that I undertook, that I set a goal out for myself and I achieved it. And that certain swagger you get, I can't even begin to explain how I feel from getting it done. And I can promise you that every person that gets their CPA license feels the exact same way. And you walk and you have this certain amount of confidence that nothing can replace. And I know this is the 5 benefits of having your CPA license, but the 6th and final benefit that I think that I've been able to experience firsthand, and also some of my peers and colleagues that I've seen grow and develop themselves in their professional careers, is that you can do whatever you want with that CPA license. Just because you get your CPA license doesn't mean you're just stuck being an accountant and doing debits and credits all the time. I have so many people that I know that have that license that ended up doing completely different things, and they are absolutely killing it. That license will give you, again, that certain swagger and confidence to be able to go into any career or endeavor and absolutely crush it. So I hope what you get from this video is definitely go get your CPA today. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the video today. If you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button below. And also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I post almost daily. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time, work hard, dress well. Peace.